Hey, this is Paul Solt, and I want to give you a live demo of Artwork Evolution on the iPhone and the iPad. Right now I'm going to demo it on the iPad. So Artwork Evolution is an application where you can create and view artwork. It's predominantly a viewing experience similar to the Photos app. So I'm just going to start it. So now we're in the albums view, so this is similar to any other Photos app that you've worked with. We have a My Saved, a Top Rated, and a My Evolution. And these different albums are where we store and put different images. So the first one we're going to look at is Top Rated. So Top Rated is a category where we actually pull user content and put it into one big group, and you can use it as a starting point for your evolutionary processes. So what's different about this application from every other photo application is that you can actually take any image in this application and evolve it. All of these images you see here were evolved by users, and when they evolve them, it re-renders different images. So you can see it does some dynamic rendering and fills in the missing images. If we just look through these different images, we can see stunning detail that is all created using some kind of genetic data. This detail results in different images, and then we as users get to decide which ones we like and which ones we don't like. So all you're doing is you're using your visual senses to look at a picture, determine if you like it, and continue either evolving it. So it's like playing natural selection. This is very similar to Darwin's finches, where certain traits on different finches continue to survive because of natural selection. In this case, natural selection is you, the user. So you decide which ones look good and which ones don't, and then you evolve those, and the others die off. So let's just find one of these that we like, and we will evolve it. So in the selection mode, similar to in the other photo app, we can just scroll through and select any image and put a check mark on it to say that we want to use it in a new generation of images. So we'll just take these three images and we will evolve them together. So I press the evolve button in the bottom right, and now what happens is we switch to the My Evolution album. The My Evolution album is an active spawning pool for new images. So the images that we selected were the parents, and they created this new set of images, which we now see here populating and rendering in My Evolution. This is a process that you can repeat as many times as you want. Any image in Artwork Evolution is capable of reproducing and creating new images. So let's just select a couple more. We go into selection mode. We select ones that are interesting, have different patterns that we like, and we will continue the evolution process again. And so the whole point here is we're just creating art with a touch of a finger, and it's very easy to use. So as new images are rendered, I get to evaluate if I like them or not, and if I want to see them in more detail, I can select one of them, and it will show me a larger render. We do dynamic rendering on demand so that you can see more detail for the ones that you are interested in and ignore the ones that you're not interested in. So these different images have different characteristics, and we can continue to evolve them, or we can share them with other people. One of the features we added in this large view is the action button in the bottom left that allows us to save to library. So I can save this to my photo library when it finishes rendering the large version. Right now it is processing, you can see that in the top, and when that finishes I can save the large one. So it finished. We can save that to our photo library. It's added to our collection on the device, and we can also email this to someone. So I'll email it to myself and hit send. And now I've just shared an image that I created on this application. And so I think this is really cool because this allows people to create art without any technical expertise and without any artistic expertise. You only need to be able to see. If you can see, you can make a decision if you like an image or not. And that is Artwork Evolution. Thanks for your time. Check us out at www.artworkevolution.com.